the Oti region, 13 schools participated in the 2020 Regional Qualifiers for 4 slots at the National Championship. Let's see how the contestants fared in the first contest.
We have Oti Senior High School. Let's give them a round of applause. We have Krachi SHTS, Oti SHTS, and Nkwanta Community SHTS. The National Science and Maths Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service with support from Dano Milk and Joy News. This is a primetime production. My name is Rachel Ano and I am your quiz mistress.
The first round was pretty competitive between Oti Senior High Technical School and Nkwanta Community Senior High Technical School.
Tissues, implants. Do the papa say epidermis?
Complex.
That's incorrect. It's simple. Krachi, xylem vessels.
Simple.
No, it's complex. Oti parenchyma.
It's a simple.
Yes, it's simple. Nkwanta, the phlegm.
Complex.
Yes, it's complex. Preamble to all schools. States the part of the light microscope to which the following descriptions refer. Do the papa say it is used for the initial focus of the object by moving the stage up and down. It brings the object closer or further away from the objective lens.
Adjustment.
That's incorrect. Bonus. Yes, Oti?
Diaphragm.
No. It is the coarse adjustment. Krachi, it controls the amount of light which passes through the slide.
Lens.
No, that's incorrect. Nkwanta?
Diaphragm.
If it was your major question, I'll give you 2 out of 3. Can't give you the partial for you. The diaphragm and the condenser, they work together. Oti, it contains a clip or clips to prevent the slide from moving around.
Stage.
Yeah, the stage is right. Nkwanta, it is used for the final and clear focus of the object.
Fine adjustment.
Fine adjustments is right. The end of the first round. Round 2 is a round of speed.
The second round was quite tough for all the 4 schools, and they all ended up losing already accrued points by answering questions wrongly.
3J newtons. And the force F2 equals negative I plus 2J newtons. Yes, in Nkwanta Community?
Madam, the answer is I plus 5J Newton.
Yes. Name the layer inside a leaf that gets the best exposure to the sun and where most photosynthesis takes place. Yes, in Nkwanta?
Epidermal layer.
No. Yes, scratching.
Chlorophyll.
No. It's the palisade layer. Which type of soil has large particles, large air spaces, holds little water, and feels gritty? Yes, Dodi. Come again.
Sandy soil.
Sandy soil is right. The end of the speed race.
Unlike the second round, the third round saw all the 4 schools picking up speed to answer most of their statements correctly.
Vitamins are inorganic molecules that organisms need in small quantities for the proper functioning of their metabolism.
Force.
Yes, it's false. OTSATS. Fat-soluble vitamins are absorbed in the same manner as lipids.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Nkwanta, water-soluble vitamins can be directly absorbed into the bloodstream from the intestine.
False.
It's a true statement. Dr. Papa say, water-soluble vitamins are easier for the body to store than fat-soluble. No, it's a false statement. Cratchit SATS, the number of chromosomes found in a single complete set of chromosomes is called the monoploid number.
True.
Yes, it's true. OTSHCS, the haploid number refers to the number of chromosomes found in the gametes.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Enquanta, the diploid gametes produced by the most organisms combine to form a zygote.
It's a true statement.
No, it's a false statement. Dode Papa say diploid cells have 2 homologous copies of each chromosome.
It's a true statement.
Yeah, it's a true statement. This brings us to the end of round 3. The last round is a round of riddles. Riddle 1. I am a unit in the SI system. I am a base unit. I am a unit for a flow rate. I am named in honor of a scientist. I am the SI unit for electric current. Who am I? Yes, Oti.
Ampere.
Ampere is right for 3 points.
That was how Oti Senior High Technical School became the first representative of the Oti region at the national championship.
I have the perfect tetrahedral shape. I have 2 non-metallic elements in my molecules. I am a greenhouse gas. I do occur as a mineral in some parts of the world. Who am I? I am methane. The end of the 4th round. At the end of the contest, Dode Papa's Senior High School had 7 points. Well, let's clap for them. Cratchit SHTS had 8 points. Nkwanta Community Senior High Technical School.
All the best at the national championship, Oti Senior High Technical School.
Had 23 points. Congratulations to Oti Senior High School for making it to the national stage. Welcome to the Volta and Oti Regional Qualifiers for the National Science and Maths Quiz 2020 edition.
The second contest between Nkwanta Senior High School, Weman Senior High School, and Basa Senior High Technical School was quite an interesting one. Let's see how this happened.
Technical School and Nkwanta Senior High School. The National Science and Maths Quiz is brought to us by the Ghana Education Service with support from Dano Milk and Joy News. This is a primetime production. My name is Rachel Ano and I am your quiz mistress. We start with Basa Senior High Technical School.
In the first round, Nkwanta had a slight edge over the 2 schools in points accrued.
Studied 7 characters with contrasting traits. Name 1 each. Starting with Basa SHTS.
Nicholas.
That's incorrect. Nkwanta?
Height. That is tall and short.
Yes. I'll give that to you. Woman?
Color. That is white or black.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Yellow, green, round, wrinkled. You can have the pod shape. You can have the position, axial or terminal. Basa, give the number of elements in group 2 of the periodic table.
Hydrogen.
That's incorrect. Woman?
6.
6 is right. Woman, give the number of elements in group O, the noble gases.
6.
6 is right. The end of the first round.
Nkwanta Senior High School continued their dominance in round 2 as well.
The magnitude of the net force on a particle on which 12 Newton force and a perpendicular 5 Newton force acts. Yes, woman.
10. 13 Newton.
13 Newton is right. A molecule of milk sugar, lactose, can be hydrolyzed to give two simple sugars. Name them. Yes, Breman?
Glucose and galactose.
Yes. In which of the 5 sense organs can one locate the olfactory cells? Yes.
Nose.
The nose, yes. Rationalize the denominator. The expression 2 plus root 3 all over the expression 2 minus root 3. Yes. Quanta?
7 plus 4 root 3.
Yes, you are right. The end of the speed race. True or false is the third round.
In the third round, however, the tables turned. Let's see how this happened.
Less than the efficiency of the ideal version of the machine.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Boeman, when the torque of a force is not equal to 0, its direction is perpendicular to that of the force.
True.
Yes, it's true. In quantum, f of x equals 1 over the expression in brackets x squared plus 1 is an even function. Bonus? Yes, Boeman?
True.
Yes, it's true. Basa, no angle of a rhombus is a reflex angle.
It's a true statement.
It's a true statement. Boeman, f of x equals 1 over the expression in brackets x minus 1 is an odd function.
False.
Yes, it's false. The end of the third round. The last round is a round of riddles. I am an even 3-digit number.
Boeman Senior High School took advantage of the riddles to take the win from Nkwanta.
My last digit is a cube. My digits form an increasing exponential sequence. Yes, Pasa? No, it isn't Quanta.
248.
248 is right. 3 points. I am a resting stage of some plants, such as lily, onion, hyacinth, and tulip. I am usually formed underground. I function as food storage organ. Yes, in Quanta?
Rhizome.
No. I function as food storage organ during dormancy. Nearly all plants that form me are monocotyledons. I consist of a short stem base bearing one or more buds enclosed in overlapping membranous or fleshly leaves. Who am I? Yes, Boeman?
Bulb.
Bulb is right. The end of round 4. At the end of the contest, Basa Senior High Technical School had 4 points. In Quanta Senior High School, 16 points. And Boeman Senior High School had 21 points.
We wish Boeman Senior High School the very best at the National Championship.
For making it to the national stage.
In the third contest, St. Mary's Seminary Senior High School Lolobi won the contest effortlessly. Their contenders were unquestionably no match for them.
Technical School and St. Mary's Seminary and Senior High School at Lolobi. Let's give them a round of applause. The National Science and Maths Quiz is brought to us by the Ghana Education Service with support from Dano Milk and Joy News. This is a primetime production. My name is Rachel Ano and I am your quiz mistress.
Not only did St. Mary's answer most of their questions correctly, but also picked most of the bonus questions in this round.
Log 125 to the base 1 over 25.
X is equal to negative 3 over 2.
Yes. Nkonya, log of the expression 1 over 9 to the base 1 over 27.
X is negative 2 on 3.
That's incorrect. Yes, St. Mary's?
X is equal to 2 on 3.
Yes, it's 2 on 3. Akwafu, dy dx equals 4x plus 3. And curve passes through the point C, 3, negative 5. Bonus. St. Mary's.
Y is equal to 2x squared plus 3x minus 33.
Yes. This brings us to the end of the first round.
Call it a St. Mary's race. The team picked about 90% of the speed race question.
The following in decreasing order of contribution to global warming. We have gamma radiation, infrared radiation, ultraviolet radiation. Yes, St. Mary's.
We have infrared, ultraviolet, and then gamma.
Yes. Evaluate. 2 sine 15 degrees cos 15 degrees all over into brackets cos 45 degrees cos 15 degrees minus sine 45 degrees sine 15 degrees. Yes, St. Mary?
1.
Yes. How are sigma bonds formed? Yes, St. Mary's?
Sigma bonds are formed by head-on overlap.
Yes, head-on overlap. The end of the speed race. Substitution. Akwafu, Majid is coming out for...
Akwafu Senior High School performed excellently in the third round by answering all their statements correctly. St. Mary's Senior High School also answered all but one of their statements correctly.
Carbohydrate digestion begins in the stomach with the partial digestion of starches by salivary amylase.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Akwafu, a minor amount of carbohydrate digestion occurs in the stomach through the action of gastric amylase.
True.
Yes, it's true. St. Mary's. Carbohydrate digestion continues in the intestines by pancreatic amylase.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. State whether the following are true or false with respect to aquatic hydrophytes. Akwafu, roots are properly developed, reduced, or completely absent.
True.
Yes, it's true. St. Mary's, the entire plant surface can absorb water and mineral salts.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Nkonya, matrix addition is distributive over matrix multiplication.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Akwafu, matrix multiplication is distributive over matrix addition.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. St. Mary's, matrix multiplication is commutative.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. The end of round 3. The last round is a round of riddles. In evolutionary biology, I am a relationship between species. I am widespread in the animal kingdom. I am a close and persistent long-term biological interaction between an organism and its host. Like predation. Yes, St. Mary's?
Parasitism.
Parasitism is right for 3 points.
Nkonya Senior High School redeemed themselves of ending the game with a single digit point by sweeping 2 out of the 4 riddles.
I am associated with complements of union or intercession. Yes, Nkonya.
De Morgan's Law.
De Morgan's Law for 4 points. I am an electronic device. I function as a gate of sorts. I allow or block the flow of electric charges. Yes.
Salt bridge.
That's incorrect. I am a one-way gate. I only allow current flow in one direction. Who am I? Yes, Nkonya.
Diode.
Diode is right for 3 points. The end of round 4. At the end of the contest, Nkonya Senior High School had 10 points.
For winning the contest with more than 39 points, St. Mary's Seminary Senior High School received an extra 500 Ghana cedis on their winning prize of 1,000 Ghana cedis. Congratulations!
Welcome to the Oti and Volta Regional Qualifiers for the National Science and Math Quiz Competition 2020 edition.
Just like the third contest where St. Mary's faced no competition from their contenders, Likpe Senior High School and Karachi Senior High Technical School were dark soup for Kajebi Asato Senior High School in the last contest.
We have Karachi SHS. The National Science and Maths Quiz is brought to you by the Ghana Education Service with support from Dano Milk and Joy News. This is a primetime production. My name is Rachel Anon and I am your quiz mystery.
Kajebi Asato Senior High School practically dwarfed their contenders in the first round of the contest.
SHS. States the hybridization of the bonding orbitals in carbonyl group.
It's sp3.
SP3. That's incorrect. Yes. 2. That's Kajebi.
sp2.
SP2 is right. Kajebi, explain why for hydrocarbons of the same molar mass, branching lowers the boiling point.
As the branching increases, it decreases the surface area of the hydrocarbon, and hence the hydrocarbon assumes a spherical shape, which makes the boiling point decrease.
Yes, I'll give it to you. Preamble: name the vitamins or minerals whose deficiency results in the following deficiency disease. Kajebi, excessive bleeding due to injury.
Vitamin K.
Vitamin K. Karachi, goiter, enlarged thyroid gland.
Iodine.
Iodine. Thank you. States the part of the mammalian eye to which the following descriptions refer. It is a transparent, biconvex, and an adjustable part of the eye. Together with the cornea, refracts light focused on the retina, therefore creating images. Lipe. Yes, scratching. Oh, who rang? Kajebi, sorry. Kajebi first.
The lens.
The lens is right for 1 point. Kajebi, it is the layer present at the back of the eye where all images are formed.
The retina.
The retina is right. Karachi, it is a watery fluid that is present in the area between the lens and the cornea.
Vitreous humor.
That's incorrect. Yes, Kajebi.
Aqueous humor.
The aqueous humor. The end of the first round.
In the second round, Karachi Senior High Technical School did their best to give Kajebi Asato Senior High School a run for their money. Unfortunately, their best wasn't enough.
Madam, the police exclusive principle states that in filling the maximum number of electrons an orbital can accommodate is 2, and they must be written in parallel and opposite spin.
Yes. What determines the polarity of a covalent bond? Kajebi?
The electronegativity.
Yes, the electronegativities. Name the important greenhouse gas produced in rice. Yes. Karachi?
Methane.
Methane is right. Given that log x to the base 3 equals -2, find log 27 base x. Yes, Karachi?
3.
That's incorrect. Kajebi?
-3/2.
Yes. That brings us to the end of the second round.
In the third round, all the 3 schools performed pretty well.
Thomas is coming in for Wise. Round 3. It's a round of true or false. Kajebi, acidified KMNO4 solution is decolorized when H2S gas is bubbled through it.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Karachi, AgBr solid is not soluble in dilute ammonia.
True.
Yes, it's true. State whether the following are true or false with respect to asexual reproduction. Karachi, all bacteria reproduce through asexual reproduction.
It's true.
It's true. Lepe, there is low genetic diversity among asexually reproducing organisms.
It's true.
It's true. The optical power of a convex spherical mirror is a negative quantity. Kajebi?
It's true.
Yes, it's true. The end of the third round. The last round is a round of riddles. I was first published in 1871. I was a product of a careful analysis of a chemist preparing some notes for a lecture. The trends were noticeable. The trends gave birth to groups and periods. For the 100 years after my discovery by the famous Russian, 700 versions of me were published. Who am I? Lipe.
Periodic table.
Periodic table is right for 3 points. I am a type of signal. I might be electrical in nature. Kajebi?
Impulse.
No. I could also be mechanical. Lipe?
Radio signals.
No. In the context of sounds, I am usually loud and irregular. I am definitely not music to your ears. Who am I?
Noise.
Noise. I like
A very interesting riddle there.
the end of round 4. At the end of the contest, Lipe Senior High School had 8 points. Oh, clap for them. Karachi SHS.
We wish you the very best at the National Championship, Kajebi Asato Senior High School. Congratulations.
Congratulations to Kajebi Asato Senior High School for making it to the national stage.